caste system, which many of us think that it is ingrained in our Indian society. पर नहीं, अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड में कास्ट सिस्टम जैसा कुछ था ही नहीं, बल्कि वर्ण सिस्टम प्रैक्टिस किया जाता था. मतलब जिसको जो काम करना है वो कर सकता था. मतलब occupation was not predetermined from the birth, but the situation changes in later Vedic period. ब्राह्मण्स को और राजास को अपनी सुप्रीमेसी एस्टैब्लिश करनी थी, तो उन्होंने कास्ट सिस्टम को प्रेफर किया, जिसमें इन्होंने ब्राह्मण्स और राजास को अपर कास्ट और वैश्या यानी बिजनेस क्लास व शूद्रा यानी वर्किंग क्लास को लोअर क्लास में रखा. और काम जन्म के पहले ही आधारित था, मतलब ऑक्यूपेशन वॉज predetermined. As mentioned by the sociologist Gail Ombet, that caste system reinforces superior position of Brahmins. कास्ट सिस्टम के ऑपरेसिव नेचर की वजह से स्कॉलर्स इसको क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं. दीपांकर गुप्ता who mentioned that caste system reinforces inequality and poverty in Indian society. Now we will see what havoc caste system created in our Indian society. In Uttarakhand, a boy named Jitendra, who was brutally beaten up and humiliated by so-called upper caste man because of the crime that was committed by the Jitendra. And the crime was, he was Dalit, he sat on chair, ate in front of that upper caste man. Jitendra died after 9 days. Another case in Mumbai, Darshan Solanki, an 18-year-old boy at IIT Bombay, suicides due to the ugly face of the caste system. Another issue is the honor killing. There is more than 30 reported honor killings happen during a year. And mind you, these are reported cases. As mentioned by G.S. Ghure, caste system restrict social mobility and perpetuate dominance of higher caste over the lower caste, which is discriminatory. Well, what can we do as an individual to eradicate this social evil? Nothing. Just think beyond caste, religion and gender and see a person, as a human, and believe me, this mindset is more powerful than our government policies. Jai Hind.